Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. My dear student, honorable guardians, and who are watching me, I would like to give salam. Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, today I shall discuss about right form of verb. I hope all of you will conduct with the class and try to understand how can we solve the problems of right form of verb. Dear friends, you know right form of verb, it is an important part of your grammar. So you have to listen to me carefully and try to understand to learn the rules and regulations of right form of verb. However, let's go and try to solve the problem. Normally, if we get the rules which is related with tense, I think it is easy to you to solve. But there are some exceptional and extraordinary rules that is normally difficult to you. Today I shall try to give the solution of that problem. However, dear friends, there are some adverbs or some singles that indicates the related tense. We have to know those adverb or indication. Like if we get in any kind of sentence the adverb which are they are already recently ever never yet etc. There are many adverbs like this which indicates present perfect tense. Which tense? All these adverbs indicate present perfect tense. Like, or for example, you ever in bracket B Cox's Bazar. Interrogative sentence. If you get like this sentence and if you follow that there is adverb ever, this word is telling us that I am present perfect tense. So when we realize that this is the present perfect tense, then how can we solve? Then we understand that what kind of sentence is this, affirmative or interrogative or exclamatory, etc. Maybe here is the indication of interrogation mark. This is here. So it is interrogative sentence. As a rules of present perfect tense, we know that auxiliary verb of present perfect have has. And what is the structure? We have to use the participle form of verb. And according to the rules, we have to use, or we can use here have at first, because it is interrogative sentence, and we know that if we get interrogative sentence, we have to use the auxiliary verb in the first position before subject. So have you ever, be here is be the main verb. Be is here main verb. So what is the participle form of be verb? We know that been, the participle form of be is been. So we have to write been from be. Have you ever been to Cox's Bazar? What is the meaning of it in Bengali? We know well that the meaning of this sentence is, তুমি কি কখনো কক্সেস বাজার গিয়েছো? তুমি কি কখনো কক্সেস বাজার গিয়েছো? So friends, if we get like these words in any sentence, then we can easily understand that this is the present perfect tense. Let's go next exceptional rule. What is the next? If we get for or since in any sentence. If we get for or since in any sentence, then we have to realize that what kind of sentence is this and what is the tense of this sentence. Normally we know for and since are used for present perfect continuous tense. For example, we read here for 3 years. Here for is telling us that I am present perfect continuous. For this why we have to make according to the structure of present perfect continuous tense. So let's try to solve. Dear friends, you know that the auxiliary verb of present perfect continuous is have been and has been. It is affirmative sentence. For this why we have to use after we have been. We have been, and you know that if any sentence of continuous tense, we have to use ing in the ending position of a verb. So we have to use ing, reading, reading with main verb, with the base form of verb. We have been reading here for 3 years. What is the meaning of this sentence? You know, the meaning of this sentence is আমরা 3 বছর যাবত এখানে পড়ছি। আমরা 3 বছর যাবত এখানে পড়ছি। Next, another example, dear friends. It bracket rain since morning. It rained since morning. How can we solve this problem? It is easy. it is subject, and we have to use have been or has been. For it, we have to use has been because it third person singular has been. So normally according to the rules we have to use ing with the rain. Rain is the main verb, so I have to add with rain ing. So rain is raining. It has been raining since morning. Dear friends, what is the meaning of this sentence? We know it means সকাল থেকে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে. Why it is থেকে? We know that since mean থেকে and হইতে, and for mean, what is the meaning of for? For mean যাবত ধরিয়া. If we get যাবত ধরিয়া in any Bengali sentence, we have to use for, and হইতে থেকে if we get, we have to use since. So like this way you can solve this problem. Dear friends, let's go next rules. Already I have finished the rules of present tense, which is related present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Now I want to go to the past tense. Normally we know the structure of past tense. If the sentence is assertive, we know that subject, verb to and object. Like I saw him. আমি তাকে দেখলাম. In Bengali meaning, আমি তাকে দেখলাম. Saw. It is the indication of past indefinite tense. You know, friend, only in past indefinite I have to use the form of verb is to. I mean past form of verb. Only in past indefinite and affirmative sentence. Otherwise, when we use did in past indefinite, then we have to use the present form of verb. Like I did not see him. What is the meaning of it? আমি তাকে দেখলাম না. So here did is the indication of past tense. For this why I have to use the main verb present form. Like this way we can make the sentence of past indefinite. It is normal rules, as usual rules, but how can we understand that it is past indefinite if we don't get any normal indication? It is easy, friend. Some adverbs there are, they will tell us that I am past indefinite tense. What are they? They are last plus time, last plus time, last day, last night, last year, etc. There are many. And another yesterday, ago, long ago, long since, etc. There are many adverbs of past indefinite tense. Those always tell us that I am past indefinite tense. When we get any one of them, then we have to make the structure of past indefinite. Let's go to the example. Why you not bracket come yesterday? Here yesterday is telling me that I am past indefinite tense, so I have to use the structure rules of past indefinite. Here is why is telling me that I am interrogative sentence. For this why we have to make the sentence interrogative. How? You know, yesterday is telling I am past indefinite, so I have to think that what is the auxiliary verb of past indefinite. We know that did is the auxiliary verb of past indefinite. For this why we have to use did after why and before subject. How? Why did you not here come will be the base form of come, and yesterday. Why did you not come yesterday? কেন তুমি গতকাল এলে না? কেন তুমি গতকাল এলে না? Like this way you say in bracket, you say me eat last night. তুমি গত রাতে এটি আমাকে বললে. So last night is the indication of past indefinite. For this why, and it is affirmative sentence. There is no indication of interrogative or others. For this why it is affirmative. So subject you, and last night is telling me that I have to change the verb into past form. For this, say will be said. You said me eat last night. Dear friends, like this way we can easily solve the problems of right form of verb, but we have to memorize about this matter, that there are some indication that will tell you that what kind of tense of this. There are many adverb which are always used in the related tense, and we have to know about them, and knowing about them it will be very easy to us to solve the problem of right form of verb. So friends, no more today. I think gradually we will be expert about this matter. We should not fast and forward about this matter. We should learn about it details and deeply day by day, and I think it will be very easy to us. So be careful and be conscious about your study. Stay at home, touch with me online, and we will meet again to each other if Allah intends. And till that time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.